Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. This is a bass D tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. This flute right here has been produced with aromatic cedar. It is an oil finish, and this flute here has been produced with a 1 1/8 inch bore. It's been bored using a gun drill. The wood has not been split, so you won't have to worry about this flute cracking. I feel like this flute came out wonderfully, folks. As you can tell, the finger holes are small and they are close together. For the fetish, it has a 1 stone on the fetish. It's been wrapped with soft gold deer leather. Up on the bottom, you will see jdflutes D 528 Hertz. It's right on the bottom. This bass D here, to me, it has a calming voice. It has a very soothing sound. It's very relaxing. And this bass D, it's very easy to play. It takes easy breath. And just let me know what you think about it. folks. If you would like a flute like this, they do come with different finishes. I'll email you a list of the finishes that I'm making as of right now. Just simply give me a phone call to 910-843-1738. And if you would like a price list right away, simply email me to jdflutes@yahoo.com. And as of right now, this flute is on sale. Everything I have right now, folks, is on sale. And so this is the best time to go ahead and get your flute. These are good quality flutes, and you will not go wrong with this quality. I put a lot of time into these flutes to make sure that they produce the best possible voices that they will produce. And I promise to give you 110%. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I have a lot of new flutes coming up, and you won't want to miss those flutes. And I'm going to have it to where everyone out there can basically afford one of those flutes. I'm not going to have those prices sky high. If you're like me, money don't grow on trees. If you're like me, every little cent counts and it helps. So I'm going to help you save just as much as possible. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for purchasing my flutes. And I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, folks. The year's almost gone. I appreciate everything you've done. I've worked the entire year. As a matter of fact, I've been making flutes since 2010. I appreciate everything everyone's ever done for me, folks. If it wasn't for you, I'd have been gone. Especially if it wasn't for the Lord, I know I would have been gone. So I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much for everything.